Let's see how we can use the HEX2OCT and OCT2HEX functions in Google Sheets. We have the HEX2OCT and OCT2HEX functions Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the hexadecimal numbers from 0 to 9. And from A to F, that is, the first 15 hexadecimal digits. In column B, we want the octal number equivalent of the hexadecimal numbers given in column A. In column C, we have the octal numbers from 0 to 7, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. In column D, we want the hexadecimal number equivalent of the octal numbers given in column C. Now, to get the octal number equivalent of the hexadecimal numbers given in column A, we will first head to the B2 cell. We will use the HEX2OCT function, which converts a hexadecimal number to octal. It takes a signed hexadecimal number and optional significant digits as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to HEX2OCT, signed hexadecimal number is given in A2 cell, so we will write A2, and we will not give any optional significant digits. Let's close the bracket for the HEX2OCT function. Let's drag the formula down from the B2 cell to the B17 cell. We see that we get the octal number equivalent in column B of the hexadecimal numbers given in column A. That is, from 0 to 7, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now, to convert the octal numbers given in column C to hexadecimal numbers in column D, we will first head to the D2 cell. We will use the OCT2HEX function, which converts a decimal number to hexadecimal. It should be, which converts an octal number to hexadecimal. It takes a signed octal number and optional significant digits as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to OCT2HEX. The signed octal number is given in C2 cell, so we will write C2, and we will not give any optional significant digits. Let's close the bracket for the OCT2HEX function. Let's drag the formula down from the D2 cell to the D17 cell. We see that we get the hexadecimal number equivalent of the octal numbers given in column C in column D. That is, we get 0 to 9, and then A to F. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the HEX2OCT and the OCT2HEX functions in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.